ReSound 1 introduces a revolutionary new class of hearing aids. The first M&RIE, microphone and receiver in ear, combines the traditional two microphones with a third, discreetly placed inside the ear canal. This third microphone is responsible for collecting sound right inside the ear canal, using the unique shape of the outer ear for a more individualized and complete sound experience. Spectrograms can be used to show how the placement of the microphone inside the ear canal can be used to preserve spatial cues, the natural response of the ear. A spectrogram is a visual way of representing strength or loudness of a signal over time at various frequencies. Today, I will show you how ReSound 1 provides a similar response to the natural response of the human ear, preserving individual cues for sound localization. We will record 3 spectrograms: an unaided ear, a traditional hearing aid, and a ReSound 1 hearing aid. Let's start with the first recording, the response of the unaided ear. This is the natural response of the ear. Now, let's record the spectrogram with a traditional hearing aid, where the sounds are collected behind the ear as the microphones of the hearing aids are placed on the top of the ear and not inside the ear. In this case, the spectrogram from a traditional hearing aid differs from an unaided ear. It makes the user lose some of the spatial cues important for localization and speech recognition. Now, let's do the same recording with a ReSound 1 hearing aid. The signal will be collected by M&RIE, the microphone placed inside the ear canal. As you can see, the spectrogram has a similar response to the unaided ear, thereby taking advantage of the individual ear anatomy to collect sound as nature intended.